Hello, friends. Hope you're doing good. I hope you already know that two-way courier booking for has already been started, and you can do it via the Canada VFS web form. Now, what you'll have to do? So, VFS Canada, search it, open the first link. Okay, scroll down to the first link where it is saying that two-way courier service has been started. So client who receive a passport submission letter need to fill the passport submission form. So this is the web form. Okay. Okay. So here you have to select for which category you want to select the passport. So this is the one. Now if you have already selected completed for biometric, then select yes or else select no. Let me select yes because most of us completed. Location at which biometric has been enrolled. So let me select Kolkata. Okay, now there is a quick catch. For each passport, would be one web form. That means if you are a member of three, then you have to submit three web form. Like for me, my wife, and my kid, I have to submit three web form. Now pin code. Okay, check if the pin code is serviceable. So if the pin code is serviceable, then the rest of the things come. Now address line 1, 2, city, state, pin code. You should give this address same as your passport. Now scrolling down, first name, last name, application number. This should be written on top of your passport submission letter. Mobile number, alternate contact number. Okay. So the courier guy will call in this mobile number. Would you want to pay SMS service? No, because you don't need to waste that money. You can easily track your courier through the blue dot courier number. I have another video where I have shown you. Did you avail premium lounge service at the time up? I would select no because this is simply a waste of money. Okay. Please upload your passport submission letter sent by IRCC. Yes, you have to upload it in the PDF format. Enter CAPTCHA, select and submit. Once you submit that, you will get a request number on the next screen. Keep that request number handy because if you don't get the payment link or acknowledgement mail within 24 hours or say 48 hours, you have to send a mail to passport submission at the rate vfs helpline.com with your request number. I hope this video was informative. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.